Yeah, knocked you up one more threat.
As long as no one misdirects me or anything.
Yeah, I blame the hunters and the rogues.
Pull when you're ready, Tenaya.
Alright, pulling.
Move.
Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake's out to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration.
Taunting.
And tidal waves couldn't save the world from California.
God damn.
Battle Res Nocti.
Anything.
Nice. Hey, anybody be...
I'm up.
JG's on Gula.
Okay, taunting.
We're on top.
Taunting.
Rotation 2's on the tanks now.
Next crystal's coming soon.
It's group 3.
Move.
Maximus, did you not get the B-res?
Go, 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 go.
Get a res out on Maximus.
I got it.
Jake, go ahead and move in.
Next crystal soon is group 1. Move.
Which healing group is on the tank?
Move to the other side. Move.
One Mambo, one.
Be right next.
Decimation. Decimation, Tenarius tanking.
Quick fast heals on Sonari, I guess.
Or not.
Next shard.
Around on tanks.
Move. Everybody should be on the left side now.
What group is on right now?
2.
Okay.
Get closer, Arwen. Good job.
Patron, if you've got time, can you move in a little bit?
Decimation,
Copy.
Tenarius
Taunting.
tanking.
Next shard coming, this is group 3. Move.
Do you have Manatai Pat?
Sis, move in. No.
Lust when the next shard comes.
Jake, move in.
Next shard coming, this will be group 1. Move.
Decimation, Tenarius tanking.
It's on you.
Next shard coming, this will be group 2. Move.
My bow, we're on tank.
Get closer, Arwen.
Next shard coming, this will be group 3. Move.
Zay, we're on tank.
Sis, move in. Jake, move in.
Who's supposed to be on this?
Next shard coming, it'll be group 1.
Somebody has to take... Whoever was supposed to be after Ao didn't get there.
This is group 1's move.
Oh, that's not fair. That was we kill him.
Oh my gosh. Jesus.
Everybody point and laugh at Nocti.